everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So today is going to be another part of my, I guess, cleanser series that I'm doing here. As I've said in my other videos, I brought a product that I'm going to do a Wacky Weird Wednesday on, and it is on this little bad boy right, oh, sorry, wrong one. It is this little bad boy right here. Which is going to make any of your cleansers into a foam cleanser. And so when I did that, it brought up the question, how many cleansers are there? And there are quite a few cleansers out there. There is a cream cleanser, there is a foam cleansers, there are gel cleansers, there are powder cleansers. There's so many type of, and scrubs. So there are different ones out there. So I did a little video about that. So I'll make sure I go ahead and put it, it'll be up in the corner somewhere at the getting closer to the end of the video, you guys. So make sure you go ahead and see that video and the following ones that come afterwards or before this one. And so today I'm going to be talking about, this is more of a cream to foam cleanser, and this is by GlamGlow. All right. And so this is a little bit different, you guys. This one is, as I'm trying to read everything, it's a pore refining triple charcoal boost. It's our favorite advanced clearing cream to foam cleanser. Now with a powerful blend of these charcoals to detoxify and absorb a range of impurities from the skin. Infused with texogi, eucalyptus leaf, Mediterranean clay, and a special blend of bamboo, ubin wood, and coconut charcoals. This formula clarifies and helps remove pore clogging debris, excess oil, face makeup, while leaving the skin feeling soothed, soft, and matte. And so this one is going to be a little bit different how you go ahead and do it. Most face cleansers, you're going to wet your face. So normally what I do is that I'm usually at the sink, I go ahead and I wet my face quite a couple of times so my face becomes very wet. I don't know how to explain that any better, but it becomes, pretty much like a sponge, and it takes up that water, and so my face is very moist. And so then you go ahead and you put your cleansers on, and they either foam up or they spread over. If it's a gel, they don't foam as much as other ones. Some bubble, some don't. But this one is just a little bit different. And before I get into this one, you guys, make sure, because I keep on forgetting to do my schmeal, you guys, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, because I love to have new family and friends here. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Also, give me a thumbs up, you guys, and share me out, because it really does help my channel to grow. It lets YouTube know that you're liking my content. So now that the schmeal is over, let's get back to the GlamGlow. And so what you're going to do with this one, which like I said is much different than your normal cleansers, is that you're going to squeeze a generous amount onto dry hands. You're going to add warm water and rub your hands together to create a foaming lather. And you're going to apply it to dry skin. And you're going to massage it evenly in circular motions. Rinse well, pat dry, use as directed. Do not use as a mask. So this is not for a mask. So we're going to go ahead and do like it says. We're going to put a generous amount into dry hands. I think that's more than a fair amount of generous amount. Right? And then afterwards, they say you're going to go ahead and add some warm water. So I have some water here. And so what you're going to do, it's not really lathering. How come I can't get it to lather more? Okay, it's not really lathering so much, you guys, but I have dry skin. I mean, my skin is going in circular motions. I mean, this one is a weird one. And I like to get up over there because a lot of times I have. And I do my little neck over here, or my big neck. It's like, I used a lot, you guys. Maybe that's what it was. But it said a generous amount. So this one didn't actually foam for me. What I'm going to do is that I'm get my hands wet. Oh, see. See, now it's foaming up. And I'm not doing my eyes, you guys, because I got nothing really on my eyes. I'm trying to see. Maybe I put too much. Now, even with that, it doesn't really... Like I said, it's sudsy. So this is what it was looking like. So, but on my hands, you see that it is sudsing up. So, I think maybe I had to do it little by little and not do so much. This is the first time I'm using this one, you guys. So, all right. I'm trying not to get water all on my computer. And so then what we're going to do is evenly circumvent a wind swell. Okay. So we're just going to rinse this bad boy off. What a look, you guys. I do have to say that when, oof, what happened there? I do have to say that when it was going on, when it was sitting there, it was, how did I get over there? I guess down there needed to be clean too, huh? I did feel, not a burn, but I did feel a cooling, kind of like feeling on my face. It's hard to say. I don't know what it was. I mean, like I said, this is just charcoal, kind of other, and it might be one of the natural products that are in here. So, as always, never, never, never go ahead and take a towel and go, you know, like this. You're supposed to go ahead and pat your face dry. Alright, so let's see. This is what my skin is looking like. I got the hiccups now, you guys. So, not bad. It doesn't feel dry. I'm letting it dry a little bit more. So, it is definitely not drying, which I do like that. Which, like I said, I should be adding this into my routine because I do like it. So, and it doesn't, do not use as a mask, use daily. Oh, so you could use this daily. So that is not bad. Again, one of my favorite ones is the Kate Somerville. I use this one all the time. I've been using now this one just because I've had some little breakouts, which are all getting much better, you guys. So I had there, and then I had one that was popping up over here, but it didn't pop up. So I had been using this at first once a day, and then using exfoliate in the morning time, this at nighttime. I was using this one every day, and then I switched to every other day, and now, you know, I probably am gonna stop using that one, and I might just add this one into the mix. And it did make my face feel very, very nice and very, very brightening. So my face does feel nice and soft. So over here, you guys, over here and over here, this is where I have my hyperpigmentation, my malaise, which is a little bit more deeper than just regular hyperpigmentation. It's due more to hormones, and it offset with hormones. My older sister has it, my middle sister has it, and it came out as we got older, and so it's more due to that. So, and these are getting a little bit better than what they were. This one was, as you can see, it's a little bit more dark over here, but it's just a little brown here. That brown used to be all over here. And the same thing, like this one was spread out more. This one was over here going here, and now it's just more on this side over here, which I'm working on that. So, but I hope you guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys enjoy the review. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that subscribe button, share me out, hit the notification bell. And the next part of the series should be me using the little gadget for my Rocky Beard Wednesday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I hope you guys stay safe out there. And if you used any of the products in any of my videos, make sure you go ahead and comment and let me know how you like them. Also, don't forget, I'm going to put the little links to the previous videos up over here. Make sure you go ahead and catch a look at those ones too. So have a wonderful, fabulous day, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.